In the previous video, we have completed all the example problems that were before 11.2 exercise of chapter Mensurations. Okay, now going to the exercise 2, the first question, I want you to read the question from your textbooks. As per the digital textbook that I have, it is on page number 177. Okay, the first question is there. It says, what does it say? It says the shape of the top surface of the table is a trapezium. There's a top surface of the table, that's a trapezium. Let's do it like this. And then it says find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meters. Okay, this is 1 meter and 1.2 meters. It does not matter where I'm writing the dimensions because this is a not to scale figure. Okay, that it should actually have been 1.2 here and 1 here. Okay, so and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. This is the distance which is given to me as 0.8 meters. Okay, then that's what's been asked here. It has been asked to find the area. Area of the trapezium is half a plus b times h. So area is equal to, substituting the values, that is 1.2 plus 1. Okay, a plus b times h is 0.8. So this and this are even numbers. We can cut them down or reduce them down. 2 1 times and 2 0.4 times is what you get. Now adding these two, it is going to be 2.2. 2.2 times of 0.4, it's going to be how much? It's going to be 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and then 0 will come in here. That will be there. 1 2 2 decimal places, so it will be 0.88 meters square will be the answer for this one. Okay, now going to the second question. The second question, it says the area of the trapezium is 34 centimeters square. Okay, the area is given to me already for the trapezium, so let's write it down. Area is equal to, area of the trapezium is equal to 34 centimeters square. So I know what is the formula for the area. It is half a plus b times h. Okay, I'm writing the formula itself because the area is this and this can also be equal to this one, because that's the area itself, isn't it? That's the formula for the area. Okay, the length of the one of the parallel sides is, okay, one of the parallel sides means a or b is given to me as 10 centimeters and the height is given to me as 4 centimeters. Then it is asking find the length of the other parallel side. So b has been asked here. So let's write it down in here. 34 is equal to half a plus b, that is 10, plus b will remain b itself because we don't know what it is, and h is 4 here. 2 1 times and 2 times. Now what's going to happen here? This 2 will be sent towards the other side. Why? Because this is in multiplication, it goes to the other side in division. So 34 by 2 it becomes when it goes towards the other side is equal to 10 plus b. 2 1 times and 2 1 times, and this is going to be 7. So I get 17 is equal to 10 plus b. Sending it towards the other side, 17 minus 10 it becomes, and 7 will be the value of my b. The other parallel side will be 7 centimeters is what I get. Next is moving to the third question. It says that the length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field. Okay, again a trapezium shaped field. ABCD is 120. Length of fence, that means the perimeter he's talking about. Length of fence. Fence kahan lagegi? Fence will be applied here, isn't it? So iske liye kitni length given hai mere paas? The length is given as 120 centimeters. A, B, C and D. Okay, length is nothing but the perimeter. So let me just write it down. Perimeter is equal to 120 meters. Okay, if BC is equal to 48 and CD is equal to, okay, the shape is given to me already. It's actually not like this, but it is like this. That's the shape of the trapezium that's given to me. Okay, A, D, B and C. There's a right angle made over here. Okay, then if BC is equal to 48 and CD is equal to 17, BC is equal to 48 meters and CD is equal to 17 meters, AD is given to me as 40 meters. Find the area of this field is being asked here. Oh my god, how am I going to find this? So to find this one, what we are going to do, because he said the perimeter is there, I can find this perpendicular height. How? Summing all of these and subtracting from 120, I'll get this one. Okay, so when I sum it together, what am I supposed to sum? 40. Okay, let's first read the question, what is being said to us. Then it says find the area of this field. Okay, I need to find the area of this field. Area is half a plus b times h is what I'm supposed to find. I know these are the two parallel sides. This side is parallel to this one, so let's write it down. Half a plus b, 40 plus 48. And what about this perpendicular height? Now this height is a question to know. How can I find this height? I know the perimeter throughout this thing, it is 120. So from 120 to find the h, I can subtract all of this. So let me write it down. H is equal to h, which is AB side, is equal to h, a small h, let's take it down, and then we are going to write it as 120 minus 40 minus 48 minus 17 is what I'm going to do here. Okay, so 40 plus 48 becomes 88. 88, 120, and then what we are going to do is we are going to add the 17 as well. 88 and 17, 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. Okay, 5, and 8 plus 1, 8 plus 2 will be 10. So 1 0 it will become, because this is 88 to this is negative 88, and this is negative 17. So 8 plus 7 is 5, and then this will add up to, there'll be a carry over, and this will become 10. So 120 I'm subtracting in here to find the value of AB. So this is going to be how much? 15 meters is what I'm going to get here. Okay, this will be added in here. So put it into the formula. I'm going to add it in the formula. Once I've done it, I'm going to start simplifying it. How am I going to simplify it? I'm going to simplify it using my formula here. Half of 40 becomes 88, 15, 2 1 times 2, 44 times. So 44 times of 15 is what I'm supposed to do. 4 15s, let's take it, let's do it here. 44 times of 15, that's going to be 520 and 22 plus 4 and 4, that's going to be 066. 660 meters square will be the area for this particular shape that we have here. Okay, now going to the next question. So going to the next question, in here we have the fourth question that says the diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24, and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meters and 13 meters. Find the area of the field. Now this is what is the figure given to me here. This is a straight line in here, then this is the shape here, this is another shape here, then there is this triangle here. That's how it is, and this is the diagonal that is mentioned over here. This is dropping down, giving 13 meters, and this is dropping down and it is giving 8 meters, and this is having 24 meters. Okay, with respect to this particular shape, we have learned a formula. And what was the formula that we have learned? If you remember, the shape, this particular shape required the formula of half. When I need to find the area for this one, this is normal quadrilateral, but sides are not given to me. So here the formula is half d into h1 plus h2. These are the perpendicular sides and everything. Perpendicular lengths are given, which is h1 and h2, and this is the diameter, that is the diagonal length is given to me here. So here substituting, half times of d is 24 into h1 plus h2, 13 plus 8 is going to come here. 2 1 times 2, 12, so it is going to be 12, and it becomes 21. So multiplying 21 times of 12, 2 4 plus 1 2, that's 2 5 and 2, excuse me. So this is what is going to be the meters. So it is going to be 252 meters square will be the area for this one. Going to the fifth question again. In the fifth question, it says that the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the area of the shape. Okay, so when I need to find the area of this particular shape, what am I going to use? I'm going to use the formula for the area of rhombus. Okay, so area of rhombus is given to me. I know the formula as half d1 times d2 is the thing. Why am I using this? This is being used for the fact that for a rhombus, the side will be not mentioned, but the diagonals will be mentioned to us. And here in this particular question, the diagonals that are mentioned to me are diagonal d1 is mentioned to me as 7.5 centimeters and diagonal d2 is mentioned to me as 12 centimeters in here. Excuse me. Now going ahead, so I'm going to write it down. It becomes half. D1 is going to be 7.5 and D2 is 12. So 2 1 times and 2 6 times it goes, and I have 7.5 times of 6. That is going to be 7 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. And 0.0 will come because there's only one decimal place. Centimeter square will be the area for this one. Okay, moving on to the next question, which is the sixth question. It says find the area. It says in here, find the area of the rhombus whose side is 5 centimeters. Okay, the rhombus side is given to me and whose altitude is also given to me, which is 4.8 centimeters is given. So now we have given everything is given to us. What is the information that is given to us? The area of the rhombus is to be found out. Okay, fine. Area of the rhombus needs to be known, and I know the formula for it is half d1 times d2 is what I know. But here, from the first statement, when I write find the area of the rhombus, I wrote this thing down, which is further continuing as whose side is given to me as 5 centimeters and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeters. Altitude is equal to 4.8 centimeters. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeters, d1 is given to me as 8 centimeters, then it says find the length of the other diagonal. Oh my god, now this is, I just told you in the previous question, for a rhombus they usually don't give the side, but in here they have given you the side. So there is one more formula for you to find the area of the rhombus. What is another formula? The formula, first formula that you know is this one. The other formula that you know is area is equal to side times the altitude. Side times the altitude is the formula in here that we have. So area, side is given to me as 5 centimeters, cool, and the altitude is given to me as 4.8 centimeters. So that becomes 5 8 40 20 24. So it is going to be 24 centimeters square. I got the area from here. I didn't get the d2, the other diagonal. I didn't get it still. So how do I find it now? There's no other formula for me. Area, I had this formula, but I had to use another one which was not taught to me in the examples, which is side into altitude. But still this d2 is unknown to me. But I know the area now, right? Since I know the area, I can just substitute it into this formula. So the area is equal to half d1 times d2, and area is known to me as 24, which is half here, and the d1 is known to me as 8 centimeters, and d2 will come in here. 2 1 times 2 4 times is what I get. So 24 is equal to 4d2. Some students can cancel it here itself. 4 1 times and 4 6 times. So d2 is equal to 6 centimeters. But some students cannot cancel it here. So let them take it down like this. This isn't multiplication, goes towards the other side. Division, 24 by 4 is equal to d2. 4 1 times and 4 6 times. So 6 centimeters is equal to your d2 is what you get here. Okay. Going to the seventh question then. Reading the seventh question, it says the floor of a building consists of 3,000 tiles. The floor has how many tiles? It is given to me as 3,000 tiles are given to me in here. Okay, then it says which are rhombus. Okay, they are rhombus shape. Let me note it down because rhombus has a different area. Okay, and each of its diagonals, okay, the diagonals of the rhombus is given to me as d1 is 45 because he said each. I wrote d1. अगर मुझे सिर्फ the diagonal होता तो मैं d1 या d2 कुछ भी लिख सकती थी. 45 centimeters, and the other one is d2 is 30 centimeters. Okay, in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor. Okay, so there's this floor on this particular floor there are rhombuses, what do you say, rhombus shaped tiles are there. Okay, so 3000 tiles are there. How many are there? 3000 tiles are there. Okay, the dimensions of the rhombus are given to me. Then it says find the cost of polishing the floor. How do we find the cost of polishing the floor? Polishing the floor means full floor will be polished. For this I need to find the area. But how am I going to find the area for this particular thing? Because the shape is not known to me, nothing is known to me. Just they said 3000 tiles are there on the floor. So what I can do here is find the area of one tile. Multiply it by 3000. I will get the area of the floor. That's what I'm going to write it. Area of floor is equal to 3000 into area of tile. Okay, so we'll keep it 3000 here, and area of tile will be half d1 d2, isn't it? So fine, write it down. 3000 into half, I am having it. d1 is known to me as 45 and this is known to me as 30. 2 1 times 250 in times is what I get here. So simplification is 3000 into 45 into 15. What is the difficult part in multiplying is this one. This is very easy number, only 3 से multiply करा, बाकी के zeros डाल दिया, it's okay. But the difficult one is this one. So 45 times of 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22 plus 5 and 4. That's 5, 7, 6, 675. Now 675 times 3. So we'll write it down. 3000 times of 675. So this 3 zeros I got. So in the end, I'm going to add these 3 zeros. Then this 3 will only multiply with each number in here. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21, 22, 2, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20, 2, 0. Putting the commas in here. So this is the area in centimeters square of the floor. Area of the floor we got. Then it says find the total cost of polishing the floor at rupees 4 per meter square. Cost of polishing, we know this, we are doing it from very young age. Cost of polishing is equal to rupees 4 per meter square. Now most of the students, what they do is they will just directly take this and they will do the calculation. Okay, but we are not supposed to just stick with this. What are we supposed to do is, because this is in centimeter square and this value is given in meter square, either I need to convert this into meter square or this into centimeter square. But I don't know 1 meter square and centimeter square how much it will be. Here I have centimeter square, I will convert it into meter square. So I told you before in the previous video, you have done the conversion. 1 meter square, when you were converting into centimeter square, you had to multiply it by 100 twice. Okay, because meter square it is. Okay, and it is going in centimeter square, so you have to do it twice. Likewise, now centimeter square is going to go in meter square. The conversion is happening here, so you have to divide it twice again. So the division will be, the conversion will be 20,000, 20 lakh 25,000 should be divided by 100, and again it should be divided by 100. So these two zeros is gone. This 0 is gone. This is with 5 table it can go. So 2 times it will go, 4 times it will go, and then I'm taking 2 digits together, so I need to put a 0 here, and 5 times it will go. So 405 by 2, 2 1 times 2 times 0 and 2.5. This will be the 20.5 meters square is the area of the floor. What is the area of the floor that we got? The area of the floor that we have got is the area of the floor that we have got is 20 is 202.5 meters square is what we have got. Then what we are going to do is we need to find the cost of polishing. To find the cost of polishing, cost of polishing, again polishing will be 202.5, this is the area in meter square, in times 4 is what we are going to do. So 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 1 0, 4 1s are 4 0, and 1 it will become 4 2s 8. So it is 8, and then this one will come here. So it is going to be 810 rupees will be the total cost that will be required to polish the floor. Going to the 8th question then, if you look at the 8th question, it says that Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Okay, trapezium shaped field, let me just write it down. Trapezium shaped field he wants to buy. Rich fellow. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Oh my god. So its side along the river, okay, one side there is river, is parallel to and twice, okay, if this is x, the river side, if that is x, okay, one side if it is x, twice means the other side will be 2x. Okay, so here it says its side along the river is parallel, this side it is river, okay, this side it is river, the side along the river is parallel, and river is twice the side along the road. Along the road means this side is the road, here is the road that we have. So if whatever is here, river ke side double ho jayega is what they are saying. And then it says if the area of the field is, oh my god, the area is already given. So what is he asking? 10500 meter square is the area. And the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters. Oh, the perpendicular distance is also given to me here, which is 100 meters. Then it is asking find the length of the side along the river. Okay, along the river, this length he is asking. But you know this length is x and this length is 2x. So you need to find x only first, then double it and you get this one then. Chalu banda. Okay, so area is equal to half a plus b times h. So area is 10500 and it is given to me as half, and he already said that if this is parallel to this one and it is twice. So if I'm taking, let the road side, I just did the x and 2x here itself, but I need to put it down in the statement. Let the road side be x centimeters or meters, whatever it is, it's actually meters. Okay, then the river side implies the river side will become, because he said twice the thing, 2x meters it becomes. So I'm going to write it now, and these are the parallel ones. So I'm going to substitute it, x plus 2x times of the height, that is given to me as 100. 2 1 times and 2 50 times. Fine. Now sending this 50 towards the other side, 10500 by 50 is equal to 3x it becomes. Okay. 0 gone, 5 1 times is gone, 5 2 times it's gone, 5 1 times it's gone, and then 0 comes in here. So 210 is equal to 3x. 3 1 times and 3 70. So x value is 70 meters, but this is onto the road side. He has asked me, students stop it here. Most of the time students stop it here, but he has asked me at the river side. So it is going to be 2x, which is 2 times of 70, which is going to be 140 meters will be the answer for this one. Starting off with the 9th question, it says the top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Okay, octagon is an 8-sided figure. We did the shapes and sides in the previous video already. Excuse me. Okay. So pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Okay, now going to the octagon shape here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. That's the shape that's given to me. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. ठीक है चलो, as shown in the figure में दे दिया है. Find the area of the octagonal surface. खत्म. अब फिगर में तो dimensions दिया है टेक्स्ट बुक में, but I don't know the dimensions because I didn't put it down here. So let me just put it down for you. This length is given to me as 11 meters. Cool. This height is given to me as 4 meters. Very much cool. This is given to me as 5 meters. ठीक है चलो, कर लिया. तो अब मैं क्या करूँगी? The names are given as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. अब मुझे इसका शेप का निकालना है. How am I going to find it? अगर ये वाला पार्ट देखो, it looks like a trapezium, isn't it? और वैसे ही अगर मैं इधर इन दोनों को जोड़ दूँ तो मुझे 2 ट्रेपीजियम और एक रेक्टेंगल मिल जाएगा, isn't it? I'm going to get 2 trapeziums and 1 rectangle. So we are going to find 3 shapes in here. We got this one, this is going to be the 2, and this is going to be the 3rd shape. Okay. So area of, let's name it ABCH. ABCH is equal to, trapezium hai, half A plus B times H. So I know half A is my A is my this thing, AB. अब AB क्या होगा? It is a regular octagon. Regular octagon का मतलब होता है when you have the term regular, तो उसका मतलब होता है all sides have equal length. All sides are of equal length. ये लोगों की length सबकी same होती है ये लोगों की. Okay. So अगर ये 5 है, ये 5 है, ये भी 5 है, ये भी 5 है, and all of them are 5. So if this is 5, this will also be 5, isn't it? तो ठीक है. I know that this one is 5 now. 5. And then I have 11. Okay. Plus 11. And then my H. H is going to be 4. Fine. 2 1 times and 2 times. So it is going to be 516 times of 2, which is equal to 32 meters square. Now this one is equal to the area of GDEF, isn't it? Area of GDEF is equal to 32 meters square is what I get. Fine, I'm very happy here. Now, what about the area of HCDG, whatever it is? It's a rectangle. Area of HCDG is equal to length times the breadth. Rectangle दिख रहा है, length is 11 and this is 5. 11 times of 5, which is going to be 55 meters square. Okay, area of octagon. Area of octagon is equal to 32 plus 55 plus 32. That's going to be how much? 9, 8 and 11. 119 meters square will be the area for this particular shape that I have here. Okay. Going to the penultimate question of this exercise. I wanted to finish it in 30 minutes, but it doesn't seem like hoega. Okay. Going quickly to the question 10, it says that there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. अच्छा, pentagonal shaped park है. क्यों है पता नहीं है, but है. Okay. For finding its area, Jyoti Kavita divided it into 2 different shapes. Okay, Jyoti और कविता 2 लड़कियां थे, उन लोगों ने डिवाइड कर दिया. Now Jyoti ने कैसे डिवाइड किया है? Roughly I'm going to show it. She did it like this. Okay, this is Jyoti's thing. And Kavita, what she did is, she divided it like this. Okay. But it does not matter to me कि किन्होंने कैसा किया है. But because in the examination they're not going to say ज्योति ने ऐसे किया, कविता ने ऐसे किया. You know it, it's CBSE. It's bloody hell. They're going to literally screw you out, isn't it? Screw you in and out, I should say. So I need to see कि मुझे कैसे करना है. I love the shape of trapezium. So what I can do is I can just divide it ज्योति के तरीके से जाके I can find the area of this one and exactly same will be the area of this one. That will be much more easier for me as well. ठीक है, because the dimensions if you see it has given us 15 here, 15 meters here, and it has given us 15 meters here. Okay, and the complete height is given to me as 30 meters. सो मेरे लिए क्या हो जाएगा, ट्रपीजियम का एक निकाल लेंगे, एग्जैक्टली सेम यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, डबल कर लेंगे, आई गेट द एरिया. आई एम लेजी फेलो, मुझे आ जाएगा ऐसे. बट कविता का अगर देखें तो कविता का इफ़ यू सी देन दिस इज़ 15, दिस इज़ 15, दिस इज़ 15. स्क्वायर का है, 15 टाइम्स 15 कर लेंगे, स्क्वायर का आ जाएगा. ट्रायंगल का क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज़ 15 ऑलरेडी बेस यू नो, बस हाइट निकालनी है. अगर ये 15 है तो ऊपर वाली भी 15 होगी. हाफ ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला लगा के हाफ बेस टाइम्स हाइट कर देंगे, यहाँ पे साइड टाइम्स हाइट, साइड टाइम्स हाइट करके ऐड कर लेंगे. She can do like this also. So it depends completely on us and how we can do it. If she is going with this method, half a plus b times h हो जाएगा. If she is doing it triangle and square का हो जाएगा. एग्जामिनेशन में कोई एक ही तरीके से आपको करना है, either this way or that way. So let's start with ज्योति first. ज्योति, इसने क्या बोला है, आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट लाइक दिस परपेंडिकुलरली. सो अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर डिवाइड करती है देन दिस लेंथ इज 30, दिस इज 30. सो दैट मीन्स ट्रपीजियम अभी उल्टा हो गया. द ट्रपीजियम वॉज लेटा हुआ, इट इज़ हियर स्टैंडिंग नाउ. अब स्टैंडिंग में क्या हो गया, this is parallel and this is becoming the parallel side, isn't it? So area is equal to half a plus b times h. So that's half a मेरा 15 हो जाएगा and ये 30 हो जाएगा. 15 plus 30 and this one will become my height now. अब ये क्या है, ये total is 15. अब सेंटर से डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो ये 7.5 हो जाएगा. So it goes as 7.5. So it is half times of 45 times of 7.5. 2 1 times, 2 2 times, 2 2 times again and 0.5, 22.5. So it is 22.5 times of 7.5 is what you're going to get. So that will be something over here. Okay, I'm going to use the calculator to do it because I don't want to waste my time here. 22.5 times of 7.5. 7.5 is equal to 168.75 meters square is the area that you have got. Now, what about the next one then? जो अब कविता का देखेंगे, कविता की जो भी स्पेलिंग है, just bear with it. Okay, so what's the thing over here? She said triangle and square. So I am going to add it. Okay, ज्योति का एरिया we didn't find it full. देखो जैसे मैंने मिस्टेक की, you may also do this mistake. I just got one side for ज्योति, isn't it? I just got this side for ज्योति और मुझे इसको डबल करना पड़ेगा तो मेरा टोटल एरिया आएगा, isn't it? So कविता को हम बाद में रख देंगे. Area of shape is equal to, area of shape is equal to 168 times 75, 168 plus 75, 0, 15, 16, 17, 7 and 6, 6, 12, 13, 3, 3, 337.50. मैंने और एक पागलपंती व्हाट आई डिड वाज, मुझे पता था इसका डबल कर लेंगे तो आ जाएगा. सो आई कुड हैव लॉस्ट गॉट रिडन ऑफ दिस. नाउ आई विल शो इट टू यू. 2 टाइम्स करना था ना मुझे इसका एरिया, जो भी एरिया आएगा उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था सो दैट आई गेट द फुल एरिया. सो 2 इंटू 1/2 इंटू ए प्लस बी टाइम्स एच कर लेते. तो ये 2 तो चला गया था. वॉट आई वुड हैव बीन लेफ्ट विथ 15 प्लस 30 टाइम्स ऑफ 7.5. दैट वुड बी 45 टाइम्स ऑफ 7.5. 45 टाइम्स ऑफ 7.5 करते तब भी आपको यही आंसर आता, विच इज़ 337.50 meters square is the area of the full shape. Okay, let me just see. 45 times of 75, 45 times of 7.5, it's exactly 337.50. I'm so intelligent. Okay, coming back. So अब कविता का देखते हैं. कविता का we'll take it from here itself. Okay, कविता का क्या है, square plus triangle area she wants to do. Square is side into side, side into side plus half base times height. Okay, so the side is 15 times 15 plus half. The base will be, if this is 15, this one will also be 15. So into 15 into the height. This is 15. So rest from the top to this point. Where am I showing? Yeah, this is 15. So if I take it down here, If this is 15, then the remaining top will also be 15, isn't it? So 15 comes in here. So 15 times 15 is how much? 15 times 15. Square numbers we have done. 15 times 15 is going to be 225 is what we get here. So writing it down to 25 plus I have this one to do as well. That's going to be 7.5 times of 15 when I do this. Okay, let me just do it in the calculator. 7.5 times of 15, that's going to be 112. 112.5 is what you get here. So adding it together, 0.5733, 337.50 meters square is the area. Both of them will get it's the same answer, but their methods are going to be just different from each other. Okay, coming to the last question for this exercise for today, which is, I don't know if it is today or tomorrow. If you're going to redo the next question, next exercise following it itself, that will also be possible. Yeah, so in the 11th question it says that the diagram of the picture frame has outer dimensions. Okay, there's a picture frame and the diagram is given to me here. Let me just draw it for you. That's the picture frame in here. This is going to be 28 centimeters. The inner part is 20 centimeters. Okay, this is 24 centimeters. This is 16 centimeters. Okay, ab dekho. The diagram of the picture has an outer dimensions of 24 by 28 and the inner dimensions of 16 and 20. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. Now he's asking to find the area of each section. Okay, find the area of each section. Now what I can do is take down each section to be a trapezium. Okay, now here if you see, this is 16. Okay, if this is 16, this is also 16. This will be 20 and this will be 20. So I have to find the area of these four pieces, 1, 2, 3 and 4 का मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा area. मैं निकाल भी लूँ area. What is going to be the thing? I find for A, let's name this as, okay, 1 and 2. I need to find for 1 and it will be exactly same for the 3. I need to find for 2 and it will be exactly same for the 4. Isn't it? वही करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे. What am I doing here? Nothing. But I'm just finding the areas in here. To find the area, there's one very clever thing that you can do, but it is going to be difficult for you to continue. So I'll show you a much more cleverer thing. इसका shape बाहर draw कर लिया. इसके dimensions लिख लो. What are the dimensions? Or you can just take these ones here. This one you take. 2 is equal to 4, you know the area. 1 is equal to 3. So we'll do the area of 2. So 2 is the bottom one. What's the shape? Trapezium again. Iska favorite shape is trapezium, I feel. 24 centimeters. Okay. Now this height is not known to me. अब ये height कैसे निकालेंगे? To find out that height, I know that the complete height is 28. उसमें से 20 को माइनस कर दिया तो ये चले गया. बस क्या बचा मेरे पास? ये वाला हाइट बचा एंड ये वाला बचा. Isn't it? 20 माइनस कर लिया तो ये एंड ये. सो बचा कितना टोटल? 28 माइनस 20 विल बी 8 सेंटीमीटर्स. 8 सेंटीमीटर्स ऊपर और नीचे है तो आधा आधा ऊपर रहेगा, आधा नीचे रहेगा. 8 का हाफ इज 4 centimeters at the top and 4 centimeters at the bottom. Isn't it? Getting it? So this height that I'm getting here, this height that I will get here, this height that I'm getting here, this one is 4 centimeters here. So it is 4 centimeters. Okay, chalo. So half A plus B. I'm not writing the formula again because this is the last question. 16 plus 24 times of 4. 2 1 times, 2 2 times. So I have 16 plus 24 is going to be 0 and 40. 40 times of 2, which is nothing but 80 centimeters square. This is for only 2. But what did we say? The area 4 will also have the same thing. Area of 4 is also equal to 80 centimeters square. अब मुझे निकालना है area of 3. Area of 3 is equal to, I know the shape is given to me like this. 28 here, 20 here. Writing it down in the formula, these are the parallel sides. So 20 plus 28 comes here. How about this height now? अब देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरी 24 है. उस 24 में से अगर मैं ये माइनस कर दूँगी 16 को, so 24 minus 16 is going to be how much? 24 minus 16 कितना हो जाता है? Quick. 24 minus 16 will turn out to be 8 centimeters again to me. It will turn out to be 8 centimeters again. Now यहाँ पे 4 centimeters जा चुका है, यहाँ पे 4 centimeters जा चुका है, isn't it? So this will be 4 centimeters again, times of 4. 2 1 times and 2 times, and that is going to be 48 times of 2, that is 6 and 96 centimeters square. Okay, now area of 1 will also be 96 centimeters square. There was one thing that he said in the question, and that was the width of each section is same. So once I found the width here, what was the width we found out here? It was 4 centimeters. So it was supposed to be 4 centimeters here as well. Sab jagah par the width was the same is what was already told to us. यहाँ पे 4 है तो यहाँ पे भी 4 होगा, was already told to us. So this is the area of the each section का area निकालना है. Find the area of each section. If the width of each section is the same, was told to me, I found the area for this one. This is the end of your exercise 11.2. We have example questions and the following exercise questions in the next videos.